That might be another dance. So, yep. I guess I don't look too bad. I just actually got out of the shower. Woke up with a sinus headache. Dave did too. But the shower did help. When it gets like this, the air gets extremely dry and it affects our sinuses. I kind of have one still, but it's a lot better than it was. So, hence the shower. But I think today is going to be clean up around the house day. Maybe wrap some presents since Christmas is in 3 days. It's crazy. This whole month flew by. Just between different activities, the cruise, and now Christmas, and before it'd be 2025, and that's hard to believe. Besides the month, this whole year flew by. But anyway, hopefully 2025 is a better year. Knock on wood. So, I mean, this year had its goods and bads. I had one major bad this year, but the rest of it's been pretty good, so I can't complain. So, too much. But, anyways, I'm going to let the Oracle Man do his thing. Like I said, he loves this cold weather. What was it? Maybe it was about 2 years ago. Actually, it was on Christmas time, actually. We had like Arctic blast where it was in the negatives. And I was actually outside with my snowmobile gear. Like, I was covered up. And I was still freezing. But this one didn't want to come in. I had a beer out here. Oh, because I do. It was Christmas Eve. I was out here with a beer. We got out of work early. So I figured I'll go play with them. Had a beer outside. My beer froze. It was a slushy. But this one didn't care. But he is a husky. He is made for this weather, so genetics, science, whatever you want to call it. All right, let me try to wrangle him in and see what we get into today, besides the cleaning and the wrapping. Maybe some more editing. I did put two more vlogs up from Margaritaville, the 2 room tours, our room and Michelle Sutton's Dominic's room. I did put those up on the channel already, so make sure to check them out. But I might work on the ship tour today, so stay tuned for that. Don't mind me. He's running and acting like a kook. I'm running what he's running after. He's such a dork. I love him. You ready? Yeah, you're ready. Alright, I think I'm going to make some beef stew tonight because it's a good day. It's a good chilly, cold day. I'm not making chili, I'm making stew. So I got the ingredients all together and let's go make some beef stew. I did marinate some beef overnight, so that's all ready to go. And of course got celery. Carrots are on the way. Dave is over town and getting celery for it because I forgot to use the rest of the carrots yesterday. Beef broth, of course all the spices and whatnot, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, all the good stuff. out. Probably should have brought my sunglasses. It's bright out here. Imagine the sun being bright. But it's a whole whopping 9 degrees out. We're gonna play with the boy. Where's the boy? Kona. Come on. There he is. You hear him. He's there somewhere. There he is. You've been wanting to come out here and play, haven't you? Or sniff all the sniffs. You know. Do husky stuff. Ready? Ready? Come on. Get on. Come on. Come on, get it. Nothing? What about your bolly? No, I came out here to play with you. We look like King Hot Stuff over there. Just laying in the snow. That's probably why he's been whining this whole time. He doesn't want to be out here by himself. So he just wants to chill. He literally wants to chill with me outside. What a dog. You just love this, don't you? The joys of having a husky. I'm in that back room where we take them out. It was 36 before. It's 8 out right now. So I got the fireplace going, trying to heat it up in here so he enjoys some time outside. Because he's been driving me absolutely nuts to go back outside. It's like a dang cat. In, out, in, out, in, out. So he's gonna stay outside for a little bit. I'm staying in here. What are you doing? Alright, it got up to 52 in the room. And that proves you how cold it is outside. It's fogging up. Can you see the boy? I don't see him. Oh, I don't want to open the door. Oh, there you are. Oh, you're ready. You're ready to come in, sir. You're ready to come in. After I got the room nice and toasty now. Oh, I told you, dang cat. And dinner is served. Definitely a good day for stew.